I'm going to show you guys how you could track your meals using my app. So all you want to do is click on the app and open up your dashboard. From here, you want to go to the three dots at the bottom. There's 5 icons and there's 3 dots at the bottom. I want you to click on those 3 dots. Once you're there, you'll see your profile. You'll see your profile picture and your name at top. Now I want you to do is just scroll down, and you just want to keep scrolling till you're under my settings. From here, you'll see a knife and fork icon that says meal tracker. Click on the meal tracker and you'll bring you up to another page. From here, there's 2 different categories. One is meal tracker, and I want you to select in this app. We're not going to do Fitbit or MyFitnessPal. The second one is workflow. I want you to select full meal tracking. We're not going to do meal photos. So you want to hit the back button and exit back out to your dashboard. Now the settings are correct. All we want to do now is hit the blue icon plus button and select the meal orange icon with the fork and knife. From here, it's going to pull up a beautiful camera, and you're going to take a picture of whatever food item. I'm having dessert, so I'm going to grab some graham crackers. You do not have to take a photo, but it's best to do so. So take the photo. All you do is snap, and it's going to take the photo, and then there's a barcode on the side to the right. You're going to click it, and then you can scan the barcode of any package that you're using. Just put it over, and it's going to grab the information. Click the next button, and then all you have to do is click save, because now your calories and the serving size is right there with the photo. So make sure you select which meal it is, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snack, and hit save. And now it is added to your meals with the photo. And if you click on it, it's going to bring up more details. You can just swipe to the right, and as you can see, your calories have been deducted. The protein, the carbs, the fat, everything has already been taken away because you entered the calories from the graham crackers. It's that easy, guys. You can even keep scrolling down, and it's going to give you more nutrition facts, as if like your sugar, your fiber intake, your sodium. It breaks down even more of the protein, carbs, and fat, so you can see it in a different type of math, if that's how your brain works. I really, really love this feature. So that's great. So now you're like, Denetra, well, how do I add a custom meal? I'm really glad you asked that. So go back to the plus blue icon button, click the orange button for the meal icon. This time I want you to, instead of clicking the barcode, I want you to hit the custom button. You hit add custom, and from here, you can enter any food name, the serving size, the calories, the protein, the carbs, the fat, and any extra additional info you want to enter. And then once you enter that information, it will be saved into your library forever. All right? If you have any questions, you guys know where to find me.